5 reasons why you should eat oatmeal for breakfast. Not only is oatmeal a delicious option, but it is also incredibly nutritious. This whole grain food can help encourage weight loss, restore healthy cholesterol, provide an excellent source of fiber, and so much more. Here are just a few reasons why you should add oats to your morning routine. 1. Reduces the risk of colorectal cancer. Studies of over 2 million people in Europe showed that high levels of dietary fiber in the diet significantly decreased the risk of colorectal cancer. 2. Lowers blood pressure. One study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that oatmeal might be as effective as antihypertensive medications in regulating blood pressure. Keep in mind that this is not an acceptable substitution for high blood pressure medication and only serves as a helpful supplementary option. 3. Prevents cardiovascular disease. Research proves the benefits of oatmeal for a healthy heart and decreased risk of developing heart-related conditions such as coronary heart disease. Eat oatmeal for a healthy, happy heart. 4. Encourages healthy digestion. The insoluble fiber present in oatmeal helps to decrease episodes of constipation and encourage healthy digestion. It also helps improve the overall health of the gastrointestinal tract by ensuring that food gets to where it needs to go in the proper amount of time. 5. Weight loss. One of the primary reasons people have difficulty losing weight is that they're hungry all the time. This is in part due to an empty carbohydrate diet and meals that don't fully satisfy due to their nutrient deficiency. Oatmeal may help remedy this issue by keeping you full for longer and increasing your feelings of satiety. Type of oats to buy. These oats are the healthiest option because they are the least processed out of all oat cereals. Hearty maple oatmeal breakfast. Soaking steel-cut oats overnight can help reduce cooking time by about 5 to 10 minutes, making for a quicker breakfast option to help speed up your morning routine. Ingredients: 1 cup steel-cut oats, 4 cups almond milk or milk of your choice, half teaspoon pure vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons raisins, 1 tablespoon maple syrup, half a teaspoon cinnamon, quarter of a teaspoon nutmeg. Instructions: mix all ingredients together in a bowl. Cover and let soak in the fridge overnight. The following morning, add to saucepan. Heat over medium heat until boiling. Turn heat to low and let simmer for 15 to 20 minutes or until mixture reaches your desired consistency, stirring occasionally. Serve immediately or place in the fridge to enjoy your oatmeal cold. Top with pecans, walnuts or fruit of your choice. Drizzle with maple syrup if desired.